This is the South Hills Village in Bethel Park. Fun fact, this was actually the first fully enclosed mall in the greater Pittsburgh area, opened in 1965. And we are going into the Macy store to film my favorite Westinghouse elevator. Oh, you going down? Going down? Like I said, this used to be a Westinghouse. This is the Westinghouse. Modernized was EPCO in 1994. Hi. This used to be Gimbels. Before that, it was Horne's. Elevator. My favorite EPCO CircleLine. Like I said, modernized in 1994. Sorry if this will very slow hydro slow traction, or probably have to wait for one. Probably have to wait for it. These go to same levels as the escalators, 1, 2, and 3, LL, ML, and UL. Here it is. Finally, here it is. And no, I'm I'm going to one. This was originally a Westinghouse.
Yeah, we're going down.
Modernized in 1994 when Gimbels moved in. This used to be Horne. Used to be Gimbels. Before that, this was Horne's.
Wow.
Thank goodness we have the original Horne's building still remains downtown Pittsburgh. Which, weirdly enough, the CLO decided to give some space in. There you go. Going up. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So 3. Going up. Which floor?
2.
Level 2. Let's look at this. Westinghouse. Complete. That's original from 1965. Back when this had the original Westinghouse buttons. But modernized in 94 when Gimbels moved in. Since 2006, this has been a Macy store. Before that, it was Gimbels. Even way before that, this was Horne's.
Alright.
They did keep the original indicator. Original analog indicator. Original telephone box as well. Going up?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Are you going up 3?
Yes, we are.
These are my favorite buttons ever to be used on a mall elevator. They feel very high quality. Even the key switches do.
As long as they are effective.
They are effective as they are high quality. I can hear those motor generators. This is driven on the roof of the building. This whole thing.
Oh.
There you go.
Thanks for the information.
You're welcome. Back down to 2. Let's look at the shaft. At Virgil Lantern, there is a machine room. I believe either Schindler or ThyssenKrupp maintains this, but I'm not sure. Most likely ThyssenKrupp. Very nice Gimbels style wood cab. EPCO CircleLine, hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Old phone box. 3,000 pound capacity or twice 3 passengers. The floor is in a serious need of remodeling, as you can tell. Set it up.